Good evening, Rahul.
Good evening, Wisdom Tree.
How are you, Rahul? How are your studies going on?
I'm fine. My maths classes are tough. My maths teacher is teaching us division by 2-digit numbers.
Are you not able to understand division by 2 digits?
I have understood, but when I'm solving the sums, I make some mistakes.
Ha ha ha! We shall see how the princess learnt dividing by 2 digits. After listening to this story, you will never make mistakes while dividing by 2-digit numbers.
Oh, great! Let us start then.
Today, we shall learn about division by a 2-digit number. One day, Bhim and some of his friends were asked to help Guru Mata in preparing sweets for the festival. Bhim was supervising 17 people in making laddus. They made hundreds of laddus. By the time they had finished making the laddus, it was evening. They went to Guru Mata.
You all have worked very hard and accomplished good work. I heard that Bhim was eating half the laddus you were making.
Guru Mata, I was testing whether the laddus were sweet.
Bhim, take this basket of laddus. There are 79 laddus in it. Divide these among 17 children. You should not take any laddus from that basket. I have kept a basket of laddus separately for you. Once you have finished distributing those 79 laddus, you can come and take yours.
Bhim was troubled to hear this. He will get his share of laddus only after distributing the laddus. Bhim knew that to distribute the laddus, he had to divide 79 by 17.
This is a very difficult situation. How can I divide by 2-digit numbers? What should I do now? Let me ask Guruji for help. Good evening, Guruji. Please help me. I am in great trouble.
He then explained the difficult situation he was in.
Ha ha ha. If you had shown the same interest you take in laddus in studying, you will be the topper in your class. Go call your friends. I shall teach you all how to divide with 2 digits.
All the students gathered around Guruji.
Today let me teach you how to divide with a 2-digit number. The first step of division is to estimate our quotient. So, as taught earlier, let us round off 79 and 17 to nearest 10. 79 is closer to 80, so we round off 79 up to 80. And 17 is closer to 20, so we round off 17 up to 20. So now we divide 80 by 20. Both 80 and 20 have 0 in its ones place, so cancelling them we have 8 by 2. We know 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 4 is the quotient when 80 is divided by 20. Hence, our estimated quotient for 79 divided by 17 is 4. So now let us try the division of 79 divided by 17 with the help of this estimated quotient 4. Instead of considering the whole 17 multiplication table and find where the dividend 79 occurs, we can directly try with 17 times 4, 17 times 5 and 17 times of 6 as the estimated quotient is 4. 4 multiplied by 17 is 68, is lesser than 79. But still try with the next number, that is 5. 5 multiplied by 17 is 85, greater than 79. So we take 4 as the actual quotient and proceed with the next step. So now we write 4 as the quotient and 68 below 79. Subtracting 68 from 79, we get 11. Hence, when 79 is divided by 17, we get 4 as the quotient and 11 as the remainder. Let us see one more example. Divide 82 by 24. First, let us estimate the quotient. So, we round off the dividend and the divisor to nearest 10. So children, to which number is 82 closer?
82 is closer to 80.
Good. So we round off 82 down to 80. To which number is 24 closer?
24 is closer to 20.
Good. So we round off 24 down to 20. So now we divide 80 by 20. What is the first step we need to do here?
Both 80 and 20 have 0 in its ones place. So cancelling them, we have 8 by 2.
Good. So what is the quotient when 8 is divided by 2?
4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 4 is the quotient and remainder is 0.
Good. So when 80 is divided by 20, the quotient is 4. Hence our estimated quotient for 82 divided by 24 is 4. Now what is the next step?
We have to divide 82 by 24 with the help of estimated quotient 4.
Should we write 24 multiplication table for dividing?
No, Guruji. We can directly try with 24 times 3, 24 times 4, 24 times 5 and see where the dividend 82 occurs.
So what is 24 multiplied by 4?
24 multiplied by 4 is 96.
So, is 4 the actual quotient?
No, as 96 is greater than 82, we have to try with lesser quotient, that is 3.
Very good. So what is 3 multiplied by 24?
24 multiplied by 3 is 72, lesser than 82.
Good. Proceed to the next step.
So now we write 3 as the quotient and 72 below 82. Subtracting 72 from 82, we get 10. Hence, the quotient is 3 and remainder is 10.
How do you check if your division is correct or not?
We multiply the quotient with the divisor and add the remainder. Here 3 is the quotient and 10 is the remainder. 24 is the divisor. So 3 multiplied by 24 plus 10 gives us 72 plus 10 is equal to 82 equal to the dividend. Hence verified.
Children, I need to send 84 books to one place. If I pack into boxes of 14 each, how many boxes I will need to keep 98 books? What operation is needed to find out the number of boxes?
Division.
Good. So first we round off each number to nearest multiple of 10. So 84 is nearer to which multiple of 10?
84 is near to 80. So we can round off 84 down to 80.
14 is near to which multiple of 10?
14 is near to 10. So we can round off 14 down to 10.
So now we divide 80 by 10. What is the first step we need to do here?
Both 80 and 10 have 0 in its ones place. So cancelling them, we have 8 by 1.
Good. So what is the quotient when 8 is divided by 1?
8.
Good. So when 80 is divided by 10, the quotient is 8. Hence, our estimated quotient for 84 divided by 14 is 8. Now, what is the next step?
We have to divide 84 2 by 14 with the help of estimated quotient 8.
Should we write 14 multiplication table for dividing?
No, Guruji. We can directly try with 14 times 6, 14 times 7, 14 times 8 and see where the dividend 84 occurs.
So what is 14 multiplied by 8?
14 multiplied by 8 is 112.
So is 8 the actual quotient?
No, as 112 is greater than 84, we have to try with lesser quotient, that is 7.
Very good. So what is 7 multiplied by 14?
14 multiplied by 7 is 98, greater than 84. So, we have to try with one more lesser quotient.
Very good. So what is 14 multiplied by 6?
14 multiplied by 6 is 84. So now we write 6 as the quotient and 84 below 84. Subtracting 84 from 84, we get 0. Hence the quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. So we need 6 boxes to pack 84 books such that each box has 14 books.
Very good. How do you check if your division is correct or not?
We multiply the quotient with the divisor and add the remainder. Here 6 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 14 is the divisor. So 6 multiplied by 14 plus 0 gives us 84 plus 0 is equal to 84 equal to the dividend. Hence verified.
Bhim, have you understood?
Yes, Guruji. I ask your permission to leave. I have to go and distribute the laddus so that I can get my share of laddus.
In this lesson, the princess learnt division by a 2-digit number. Saying so, Bhim ran to distribute the laddus. Rahul, hope you have understood all the concepts.
I have understood the concept very well. All that talk about laddus has my mouth watering. It would have been great if I got some laddus too. I shall hurry home and ask mother to make some laddus. Bye, Wisdom Tree. Thank you for the lesson.
Ha ha! Goodbye, Rahul.